Imagine saving millions of pounds on your next production system installation. Sounds unbelievable. We have already installed systems that are achieving this. SMC's EX600 wireless system will provide opportunities for long-term savings. That should have captured your interest, in which case, stick with me and learn more. One of our global customers raised the problem of difficulties and time-consuming production system installations, miles of cabling, trunking, and difficulties during that process. Following installation, customers are left with a fully fixed system. The SMC wireless system provides a unique level of flexibility. Reprocessing and layout modifications is simplified and achievable. Minimal cabling, reduced installation time, and less downtime, providing a problem-free system. Are you still interested in saving millions of pounds with immediate payback? Realise the benefits of SMC's wireless system. Communicate smartly simply by calling me now. Follow us on LinkedIn for more innovations from SMC.